Hello again, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. And we're still out here at the mag tree. Now this one here is a number 71 mag tree. And on the 25th of last month they had 2 capped queen cells. We put them in this box here. And there's only 2 frames, I think. Yep, 2 frames. I haven't been feeding them. I didn't really want to bother them as long as they had queen cells. This frame here is the one that had the queen cells on it. Because it's got the yellow marks. It's got one here and one here. Now if we've got a queen in here, we will expand their hive. Or their frames. They do it at anyway. This one here has nectar. Little honey. That's that one. They're doing good. Got over here. Queen cells have gone, they've been cut down. Still has some old brood. As long as there's still old brood in there, there's hope for a queen. And most of that brood will be gone by the time she gets back and starts laying eggs, and I may see an egg. Nope. Well, the queen cell is down, but that doesn't mean there's not a queen in there. But normally, I mean, I'm not a time person, but this is honey up here. But all this brood in here, most of it will be hatched before the queen lays eggs or before you start seeing eggs. For all we know, she's out on a maiden flight. But they hide good. We'll look at this other frame again. But it has stores on it, and our bottom string is broke, so we're going to have to fix that. If they don't have, if they tie to it, we'll be okay. You know, if they tie to the bottom, hook to the bottom, well, we're going to put them back in here. We'll go get them another frame to work with. We'll bring a feeder ring. We'll bring them a feeder ring so we can put them some food on here. But that's them. But that's the way I start little hives. Now this one over here has 1 frame in it. We'll move over here. frame hive here. As long as we're here, we're going to stick this frame here, which is a good frame. We're going to stick it over here. Because the queen is out today. Let's see, 25th. But anyway, give them something to do. Plus that, it gives them 3 that I can put a feeder room. Okay. This one here is a 3 framer. I don't like 2 framers. This is their little feeder dish. And this is the 1 frame. Now, from the looks of it, it had 2 queen cells. Could have been at the end of the day or a hot part of the day. Over here we have bees fighting and bees, well, they're not fighting actually. They're just letting that one bee know she ain't supposed to be there. No queen cells. Baby's being born. We'll go get this one another frame too. Well, we'll put them in another frame, some more food. Little baby here. I'm not going to fill it up because I'm going to bring them another frame out. Give them a little pollen pad here. Let them know I love them. Okay, girls. And that's that with them 2. But y'all are seeing some of the baby nucs. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share. Y'all have a great day. Bye.